Useless, good for nothing, blind idiot. Where is he? Where is this boy, for goodness sake? Ebe ka nwa anọ. Obinna! Obinna!
Anybody at home? Obinna! Iruka!
My husband.
I'm
coming with your food.
Oh, as if you know. Eh? I am very much, very hungry.
Welcome, my husband.
Very kind of you. Hey, this is a woman that knows the mind of her husband.
Sure.
It's good food.
Your favorite?
Bitter leaf.
Bitter leaf.
You sure do know how to take good care of me.
Yes, of course.
Why don't you join me?
Join my husband.
You know you like it. I know you start with me first.
Yes, I'll start.
Bonamo, bonamo, benemo. Bonamo, bonamo, benemo. Abuni gebumu, biko bonam benemo. Abuni gebumu, biko bonam benemo. Agamato na akwa nderi.
A beautiful wife, a good wife. What more can I ask for? Am I not blessed?
You are blessed.
Good.
I'm happy you like everything I do.
I like everything about this meal. I like the way you feed me, and I like the way you also feed me.
It's my husband. You will
Yes,
never
and
change.
this night will not be an exception.
Banana.
Eh? You sure do know how to give it
I
to
will
me.
do it. Sam, make it shake, shake.
Yes. What about Obinna?
I don't know where he
I asked
is.
after him when I came in. Nobody responded. Is he not at home?
I don't know. I don't know where he is. I've told you to stop asking me about this your evil child.
Eh?
Stop asking me about him. I'm not his keeper.
Iruka, you promised to be nice to Obinna. And there was a time, it's obvious that you were doing well. You were nice to him. Why this sudden change? Why the change?
Why does he need me? Why does he need me? That your blind, stupid boy. All he does about is lazy around in this house. Is he the only blind boy in this village? All he does is lazy about. He cannot go and look for something doing. His colleagues, other blind people, they go about doing businesses. They even take care of their families. Your own Obinna, all he does is to come and wait for me to feed him. Nobody should provoke me. Oh.
At least you can like the music he sings. Even if you don't like him, don't you like the song he sings?
Song? That noise he makes every morning here, you call that one song? I don't like it. I hate everything about him. But you come and stop me again.
Obinna. Young maiden. My daughter. This is amazing. Who sent you to bring firewood to my household? And where did you meet my son?
I met Obinna at the farmland fetching.
And I just
Can you stop lying? I met him at the farmland fetching firewood, and I decided to help him, then bring him back home.
You met my son?
Yes, sir.
In the farm, fetching firewood. Obinna, who sent you to go and fetch firewood? Who sent you to the farm? Who told you you can fetch firewood? Who sent you? Iruka? Iruka! Iruka? Iruka, this is...
I will take my leave now.
My daughter, please go. What is that your name again?
Ma.
Ma. May the gods of our land bless you. Hmm?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Obinna,
Take care of it.
my appreciation.
let me have that machine. Sit down. I don't know I don't know how you will just move to the farm. Look, why would you do such? How could you send a blind boy to the farm alone? Our son! Eh? What came over you?
I thought you are calling me for something very important. Not knowing you are calling me because of that unfortunate being.
What? Iruka, mind what you call him. Mind how and what you call him.
That boy is not our son. He is not our son. The only son we have in this family is my son, Ikenna.
It surprises me the actions you take towards that boy at times. Your approach towards him surprises me. You raised him from cradle to his present age, so why? It surprises me the actions you normally take towards that boy. Your approach towards him surprises me. What's wrong with you? What is all this? Why this hatred? Ah, gods of our land.
Thank you very much for everything. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I pray that the gods of our land will keep blessing you with long life and prosperity.
You see,
thank you.
What are friends for? Anytime you need a friend, I will surely be there. I will surely be available because I believe you still have a future.
Future? Blind future? What future does a blind man have?
That will be a discussion for another day. But now, I have to take my leave because my mother will surely be looking for me. Take care of yourself.
Ma, not ma.
Too long. Eh? You kept me worried and I told you I was hungry.
I'm sorry, Mother. Now I'm here. What can I help you do? And besides, did Chica come by to keep firewood for me?
She did. Look at the firewood.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you. Yes, Mother.
Look at me. I am your mother.
Yes, Mother.
If there is anything that is bothering you, let me know. I will advise you rightly. Eh? Biko, please, I am begging you.
Mother, I am no more a child. I can take care of myself. I'm sorry. What will I help you do now?
You have really changed. This is not you. I know what I am saying.
Mother, I'm sorry. What should I help you do?
What is it? Blind bat. What can I do for you?
I'm very hungry. I just came to see if there's just a little food for me to eat.
Hey! You are hungry.
Please do not mock my predicament. Please.
Okay, there's no problem. Since you are now the one to decide for me how to live my life, come and cook the food by yourself. If you think that it is very easy for one to cook, come and cook.
How am I supposed to cook when I don't have sight? I'm a blind man. Please.
You are a blind man and you want to eat. Eh? Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is the food, it's ready. You can have it.
Thank you.
You see it here.
No, where is it?
See it here.
When did I get married? When did you start getting Who will even accept to marry a blind man like me? Huh?
Don't say that. Ma, oh come. Obinna is here. Our husband is here. Oh.
Our husband. Yeah. Which one is two again? Eh? When did I even marry the first one? Let alone marrying the second one.
Today you will know. We will rape you.
Huh? Rape? Yeah. Okay, most busy. But no problem. Even if you want to rape me, no problem. Just make sure that you fill my stomach with good food. So I will have strength.
No problem. Ma said she made egusi soup.
Egusi? Yay!
So we'll eat it together. Ma, bring it now. Obinna is here. Obi, my love.
Emma. I'm coming. Oh. I'm house to be aware now. Okay, she's here. Ma, how are you?
No.
Oh.
Happy to be here.
Happy to be here.
My friend.
Let me give you job.
Oh. I wish you can see it.
I can perceive it. Hey.
Wash your hand.
Okay.
Obi.
Ebute akpa gari oricha onye ụjọ, ebute akpa mgbadogo locha onye ụjọ, ebute akpa ji oricha onye ụjọ. Nwanyị bịa rụọ ọrụ, anaghị m arụ, na di m hụrụ m n'anya onye ụjọ. Nwanyị bịa rụọ ọrụ, anaghị m arụ, na di m hụrụ m n'anya onye ụjọ, ebute akpa gari olocha onye ụjọ.
What are we celebrating in my house today? With this beautiful song.
Mother, are you back? I thought you said you're going to Mazo Okonkwo.
Yes, I met him on the road. Oh. Yes, and he showed me the farmland he wants us to work for him. Guess what?
What? I'm all ears.
You know that is land at Ozara. Very close to our own farmland.
Yes.
That is the land he wants us to work.
Wow.
So that means we are not going to stress ourselves
It's so
too much.
close.
Yes, exactly. So after working on his own, we'll now move over to her.
Yes.
You're there. So no too much stress for us.
Yes.
But that is
Thank
by
God.
the way. It's by the way. I want to watch you dance again. The dancing step is very amazing. With the beautiful song this young man was singing when I walked in. I want to listen to it again.
No, you're welcome. But please, I would have to be on my way right now. It's been long I'm here, and I'm sure my father will be home by now looking for me. Please, don't be offended.
Okay, since you don't want to sing for me.
No, some other time. Some other time.
Let me help you. When your wives are here. I will
Yeah.
help you.
No problem. Since you don't want to sing for me.
Mama, I don't know when I go back. I don't know if they told you.
No problem.
Mama, we are coming.
Mama, bye. It's not someone that eats well that has weight. When I don't see food to eat, how will I have weight? And this seat now reminds me of when I still have access to my obakwara. I just sit here and be singing. Just enjoy
Obina,
myself.
we are here now. We'll be going. Take care of yourself.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Nne,
Good evening.
Nne, greetings.
So,
Greetings.
this is what you beautiful girls do with your lives in this village. Messing around with an imbecile like Obinna. I pity you all. Anyways, I know what to do. I will first of all warn your parents. Because imbeciles like Obinna likes impregnating women easily.
Please, Nne, do not talk to us in that manner. This is disrespectful. I cannot take it from me. If Obina accepts it, I will not accept it from you.
It's okay.
And what will you do? Will you beat me?
Chika,
Eh? Will you beat me?
Chika, please don't
It's
say
okay.
anything.
It's okay.
Just keep quiet. Don't
Why
say
can't
one
she
more.
respect herself? We are only friends to Obina. And we are only helping him because of the condition you put him in. Chika, Obina, this is because of you. Because of you. Wicked woman. We are going.
Nne, I'm sorry.
Have you seen what you cost?
Nne, I'm so
It's
sorry.
because of it that these girls have the audacity to talk to me
Nne, I'm
anyhow.
sorry. Nne, my
woman better respect herself. She better respect herself before they will say, I insulted somebody's mother. What was our offense? Or is this the first time she's seen us with Obinna? Eh?
One thing I want you to know is that Obinna and her mother is having problems. And she's trying to extend that problem to me and you. And we are not the cause of their problem. And she's trying to run Obinna down in the presence of me and you. Please, stop!
Well, Ma, you see me, Chika Ezokafo, from Ifite. I will never greet that woman again. Never. I see she can do is to report me to my parents. And if my parents support her, I will stop greeting them too. Yes, so. This is not a laughing matter, Ma. This is not a laughing. Because I know my mother. She doesn't like it when I say Obinna is my husband. She looks at me in some certain way.
Chi, first of all, as far as you're still living in your parents' house. And wait, this whole Obinna is my husband, I don't understand. Or is it our age grade love thing? Let me understand.
That I'm taking serious.
Yes, that you are taking serious.
Ma, you are looking for what to say. But you see this your question. I will not answer you. In fact, I don't want to go to your house again. I want to go to my house.
Better. In that case, I'll stop taking care of you. This way is the way to your house.
Please, girl. Better walk me home. Hey! That woman, she's not...
What is the meaning of all this? Huh? Why are you out here alone by this time of the night, shedding tears? What troubles you, my son? What is it? In the afternoon, I asked you to join me when I was eating. You said you are not hungry. I am just coming from your hut. You were not there. Everybody's asleep. But you are here alone. Whatever be it that troubles you, I am your father. Talk to me. Confide in me.
Why am I hated this much, Father? Why? Ever since my mother died, things have changed. I am the only one who goes to the stream to fetch water. I am the only one who goes to the farm to fetch firewood. I am the only one who pounds
It's
the
enough. It's enough, my son. Please forgive me. Forgive me, your father. I am supposed to have checkmated all these things you are lamenting on. But it is my failure. A failure from a father who is supposed to show love, care, and protect his son. But here I am. I could not do those things. None of those things will repeat itself again in this very compound, in this my house. It will not happen again. Beginning from now, I will make sure you receive that fatherly care and attention. This is my promise to you, my son. Let not the disappearance of your mother bother you anymore. I loved your mother. Let her disappearance, let her death not bother you again. You have a father who will protect you. You were not born like this. And I will do everything it will take from me to make sure that your sight is restored. Please, my son, forgive me. want to eat anything. Anything that you wish to eat, tell me. I can even prepare it myself. There is still fire in the kitchen. Are you sure you are not hungry? You don't want to eat anything. But you can sleep. You can at least go to your hut and sleep. Are you ready to return to your hut and sleep? Okay, let me walk you to your hut. Let's go.
Mother.
I've been watching you for a while. We are lost in thought. What is it that is bothering you? Talk to me. I am your mother. What is it?
Mother, I am fine. I am only concerned about one person. Why is it that people choose to be wicked? Extremely wicked.
I don't understand.
Mother, you will not understand.
Then make me to understand. I will direct you. Please. Let's go.
What is the meaning of this? Why are you shouting Obina's name? Why are you making this kind of noise this morning?
Why won't I make noise?
What's the meaning of this hatred upon Obina?
Why won't I hate him? It's like Obina is the only thing that matters to you in this house. Eh? You are lucky I'm in a good mood. Always spoiling my mood. What kind of rubbish is this?
But you are the one spoiling another person's mood. You are the one spoiling another person's mood. Eh?
You are lucky I'm in a good mood today. If not, you would have seen the stuff I am made of. Nonsense.
No. My children, may the gods of our land bless you to abundance. Well, as you can see, I am getting set for market tomorrow.
Mama, I wish I could go with you to Osala market, but I won't, because I need to have enough rest tomorrow.
Ma, we both agreed that we would go with Mama to the market. Why the sudden change of plans?
My daughter Chika, I am confused as well. Ma, why the sudden change? Huh? What has come over you?
Nothing has gotten over me. Just that I think I need to have enough rest by tomorrow.
Ma, if this is about Obina, then you lie. You must go to the market with Tosho. You must.
Let's do something. These kids as you've had.
She won't go to my place.
My leg! My leg! No!
Uma, my friend. You are my friend and I have your interest at heart. I will not deceive you. Believe me, Ima.
I do not understand. What are you talking about?
Ma,
Yes. What we are trying to say is what is going on between you and that stupid blind Obinna.
Tell her.
Wait. Do not. I say do not for any reason insult Obinna. What are you people talking about?
Ma. I will not let you ruin your life with that stupid, disgusting, useless blind Obina.
Ma, you are too beautiful for this. You are too beautiful to be seen around a blind, stupid man that cannot even find his way. And thank you for the compliment. I am too beautiful. But let me tell you this. Not even you, your mother, or the gods of the land will stop me from loving Obinna. Yes, and that is final!
Ma, is that you?
It's me.
Who are you?
Why? Where are you going to?
I just want to go and fetch water.
We're just gisting.
Because if you know more, why are they talking? She's sick.
We cannot watch our friend end this way. He's a blind man.
Ma!
Have you fetched it?
Yes, I have.
Thank you very much.
You're
Let me
welcome.
carry it.
No, I can carry it.
Ma,
Yes.
please don't do this. This is my cross. Let me carry it.
I like your cross. Don't worry. Let's go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, handsome.
That way.
This way. This way. This way.
How do you handsome?
That's because you are handsome. Let's go. Why? We have not reached your hut yet.
I know. But you know my stepmother, she's always troublesome. If she sees you and I now, she'll start thinking something else and start giving issues. And I don't want that. Please, just give me the water pot. I can go from here. I know where we are.
Obi, I like you. I feel so happy whenever I'm around you. And I like doing things for you.
I know. But please, you have to understand. Do not insist. Please, do not fight this. Just let me have the water pot.
Okay. No problem. Come.
Where are you going to? You want to ease yourself? I can perceive the smell of grasses. Are you cutting good fonts?
Oh, Obi, I'm trying to break something. Hold it.
Oh, Aju. You are very thoughtful.
Careful.
Help me with the water pots.
Nothing.
Sitting well. Thank you.
You're welcome. But Obi, I'm not happy.
I know.
Obi, I'm not happy. But I understand you.
I know. Thank you very much. My regards to your family. Or Chika. I know it's Chika's place you go to.
My children,
My mother.
eat and be satisfied. You are my greatest investment. Eat and get fat. Eat very well, Onim.
Mama, all these dishes for us.
Yes. Eat and be satisfied. You are my greatest investment. Biggest one.
Yes, so.
Eat. Let me even help you. Mama. No more.
Leave him. He's my stupid step brother.
Whose voice did I just hear now? Ikenna, is that you?
Excuse me.
When did you come back?
I'm coming 1 minute.
When did you come back? No, is that Ikenna?
This way.
Eh?
This way. You have not finished your house chores and you are asking questions. This way.
As the gods of the land, I should come and lie down. And I'll lie down and I'll start telling you that, Obina, I am back. Jewelo, please eat. No, forget about him.
Ikenna, why should he be the one doing the house chores?
So who did you expect to do the jobs? After the war that I have fought, I'll now come back and start fetching water for you. Eh?
Ikenna,
Please eat. Forget about Obina.
certainly not a blind man. He is blind.
Jewelo, blind man, is he not a human being? Eh? Please eat. Let me enjoy my food.
Not in my presence. I hate this inhuman treatment. I know what I've passed through already. And I will never allow this to continue anymore.
Chika!
Where have you been? I've been waiting for you. Then I decided to take a stroll.
Don't mind me. I met Obina on his way going to fetch water all by himself. I decided to follow him.
Fetch water. Oh, how can Obina go to the stream all by himself? To do what?
To fetch water, of course. That's the reason I decided to follow him immediately.
Gods of our land. That woman.
I don't know what has gotten over her. She was acting all nice and caring. All of a sudden, Obinna has turned a houseboy in his own father's house.
But, Mama, what if we help Obinna and be fetching water for that woman? Or probably help him and do all those little chores. Maybe she might allow him be. Because for a blind man to be doing all those things Obinna is doing, it sounds so impossible.
Chika, what if she refuses?
You have a point.
Please, let's go to my house.
Hey! For next time, you have to tell me.
Grandma, who is Obinna? Who is Obinna?
Mother, you didn't go to the Ozela market again.
How can I go when you took the only money in the house and gave it to that so-called Obinna? You suddenly fell in love with.
Oh, you know? How did you know?
Ma,
Who told you?
I told her.
Why? Why would you?
It's for your own good. You're deeply falling in love with that boy. And the worst part is that it is getting beyond control.
And that has not answered my question. Who is Obinna? Who is he? Where is he from? And who is his father?
Okay, mother. He's from Irowere, the son of Ago.
Did you say son of Ago?
Yes, mother.
I was only doing this out of pity. The way the stepmother is maltreating the poor boy is unbearable.
Ma.
The road is indeed a small place. Why can't the past let me be?
I've searched everywhere. And she's not even in the hut. Where could she have gone to?
Mother, let it not be what I'm thinking.
It is what you are thinking. It is surely what you are thinking.
Huh?
Yes. What's the meaning of this?
Are we there yet?
We are here. Immediately I got to the market. I saw him. I came for my money. I came to ask you for my money. Come and see drama.
Hey, that reminds me, I saw Geolucci on the way today.
Really?
Yes.
I've missed her. The good thing will be she might be helping Obinna with the house chores.
That might be true. But the Geolucci I saw today looked like she escaped from slavery.
Have you forgotten that she was kidnapped after the parents was killed?
Yes.
I'm not surprised she looking like someone that escaped from slavery.
Hey! Hey!
Oh.
Pity for her.
Ma. Who is that phone?
Wait, listen. Sit down. What are you doing here by this? Wait. Sit down.
Thank you.
Obina, what are you doing here by this time of the night? What's the problem?
My warrior stepbrother sent me out of the house. He said I'm not fit to share the same house with you. So, and the cold was too much. I didn't have anywhere to sleep. So I thought of coming here to see if you can allow me sleeping for tonight.
What did you do to him? And what did his mother say about it?
His mother has practically turned me into a slave in my father's house. I do everything in the house, from fetching water to setting firewood to cutting the firewood, everything.
With this your condition?
In this my condition, no. How is it?
No. She went to Chika's place. Said she will sleep over there.
Okay.
And she'll be back in the morning. It's alright. So, you're like a son I never had, oh? You are free to come here any day, anytime you want. Whenever you're hungry, whenever you want somewhere to sleep, you're free to come here. You're most welcome.
Thank you.
It's alright. Have you eaten this night?
No, I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I've not eaten since morning.
You've not taken anything since morning?
My stepmother wouldn't give me any food.
To that extent? It's alright. Hold on, let me get you food. Oh?
No, thank you.
Why have Mama suddenly hate Obinna this much?
My daughter, I am confused as anything. I have tried to find out from Obinna. He said he don't know. I approached Iruka. He does not want to give me listening attention. She does not want to give me any listening attention. I don't know how to tackle it. Neither do I know how to stop it. Iruka was never like this before. But this sudden maltreatment baffles me. What she's doing to Obinna is so bad. It's so bad. I don't know how to go about it now. I'm confused.
Papa, if Mama and Ikenna continues to maltreat Obinna, I won't take it because I know how it feels like.
It's so bad. It's so bad. Jewoluchi, there is something I am thinking. I am thinking that it's time you return to your people.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere.
I know you will say that. But mind you, your parents are late. And they left a lot of properties behind. Seated here, I don't know how those properties are. They will feel very glad if you get to know who is handling those properties or whose hand are those properties. You are a grown woman now. Your people don't know you. So you need to return to them so that they can know you, that you are now grown and you can as well know them. Think about it.
Papa, I've heard you. But it won't be easy. You are the father I've known all my life. Your family is my family. These same people you are asking me to go and see are the same people who sold me out into slavery.
What they did was bad, but thanks to the gods of our land that you are alive. And there is a reason why you are still alive. As I said earlier, your parents, wherever they are, will be happy if you return to your people. No one denies his people, and you cannot do that because your people are still your people. You're a grown woman. Someday someone will come seeking for your hand in marriage. I am not your biological father, so I cannot handle your bride price. your people are the same people that will still do so. So they are important to your life. Your parents left a lot of properties behind. Whoever that is the caretaker, or on whose hand those properties are, you need to know. It will gladden the heart of your late parents if you are able to bring back those properties and secure them to your care. Think about this. As for Obinna and my second wife, I will do everything I can, everything within my powers to make sure that I checkmate Iruka's excesses. In fact, that I stop it. So it's time to return to sleep, Joechi. Think about what I said. You can now return to your hut and sleep.
Gods of my ancestors. Huh? What is this madman doing? Ikenna, you have swallowed shit. Obinna! 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 I should stand up from this place. Obinna, stand up from this place!
Kina, what is it? Why are you hitting me? I'm sleeping. What is it?
No, you're asking me what is it? In my own father's house. Child, my mother must hear this. Obinna, before I open my eyes and close it, you have gathered from this place. Obinna, see, well, shh, don't say anything. From today, never in your life lie down on this bed, because me and you will never share bed again. Because you're not a hero. I am a hero. Have you been to war before? Eh? Can you even fight one warrior?
Kenna, this is the only hut that has been given to you and I in sleeping. The other one, Jewelu sleeps there, and then the one that is occupied by our father and our mother. Where do you want me to sleep by this time of the night?
I see.
The night is fast spent.
So me and you have started dragging my father's property. Hey. Obinna, if you like, go inside bush and make yourself comfortable. Or you go outside and lie down. Do you hear me? Obinna, get out from this place. Get out from this place! Be fast! Get out from this place!
Where do you want me to sleep?
If you like, go inside bush. Get out from this place!
Kenna, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Get out from this place! Get out from this place! Don't know as you're blind, if your brain is even blind too. See, as everywhere is smelling blind man. You tell my mother she has to come and clean this.
Obinna.
Why are you sleeping here?
Yolo, why are you not sleeping here?
I was just going to eat myself. Why are you here?
Our warlord said I cannot share somebody anymore. So I had to come out to sleep and I'm not here.
What nonsense? Is he mad? Well, he has to explain to me why it has to be done.
No, Jawolo. Please. Let us not cause any problem this night. As you can see, people are already sleeping in their huts. So please, just allow him for peace to reign.
You know what? Let's go and sleep in.
No, you want them to kill me in the morning? No, I'm okay here. Let me sleep here. Yeah?
I don't have your time. Let me go and eat myself.
Joel, what are you doing? Joel, what are you doing?
Oh yeah, we are sleeping here together.
No, please. I don't want any problem.
Do you want me to cry for you? You know if I cry now, everybody will go.
Please, don't cry.
I will cry you.
Next time I see you around, I will strangle you. Useless old fool, blind idiot. Look at him. You were even touching her, like even holding her. Because of my land. So if I allowed you, you will use this your nonsense. I'm plugging her. In fact, listen, let me tell you. You know what you're going to do now? Do you know what you are going to do now?
Yes, ma'am.
Better. I know you don't know because you are daft. Listen, go to the kitchen. Wash all the plates. All the clothes that were used. And go to the farm. And clear my farm. Clear my farm. Come on, this way. This one, sister.
Please don't joke with me. Eh? That word is too strong.
Joella, I mean it. I love you with the whole of my life. I love you from the depth of my heart. Joella, I love you so much. I want us to be together forever. Please.
Ikenna, do you know if I love you? Or are you just thinking about yourself?
Joel, I know you love me. I can see it is written all over your eyes. Just that you have not recognized it. Joel, I know you love me. I want you to be my tomorrow. I want us to be together. I love you. I can do anything for you. Even though you want me to kill myself for you.
How do I know that you truly love me? Because you always say this. And I thought it was a brother to a sister love.
No, Joel, no. Joel, I love you with everything I have. Please. You are my treasure. You are my hope. You are my joy. Please. Accept me.
Why are you staring at me and smiling at the same time?
I
saw everything.
You did?
But Mama, I still don't understand why Ikenna did that. Yes, because I don't have feelings for him or anyone yet.
Ikenna is your husband. You have to develop that feelings. That was your mother's last wish, that you becomes Ikenna's wife. Oh, your poor beautiful mother loved Ikenna so much that when she was pregnant, she always teases Ikenna. With her pregnancy, her prayers is that you become a beautiful girl just like you are now, so that my son Ikenna will marry you and we become one big family.
I still don't understand.
You have to, because if you refuse to marry Ikenna, you have disrespected the dead. Yes, that was her last wish. I want to carry my grandchildren.
Welcome back, our great warrior, Ikenna.
Welcome, Ikenna. We all are proud of you, even the villagers.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I am Ikennago, the only warrior in this kingdom. I am not like your brothers that are busy, lazy, stealing people's gold
You
and
dare
fowls.
not insult our brothers. Oh yes, Ikenna. You dare not insult our brothers. You are here bragging on the word that you and I know that Obinna, your brothers, fought a
Shut
very...
up, man.
Snap me. No wait for you. Let me alone. Let's go. How dare you?
Ọma bụ nwunye m, nwunye m fụrụ n'anya, sị na m ga-alụ ya, ọ bụ wee, aga m egoro ya, ka ọ bụ akwa, aga m egoro ya, nne ya kwere m, nna ya kwere m, ya onwe ya kwere ekwe, sị na ọ ga-alụ m, ọma bụ nwunye m, ọma bụ nwunye m, nwunye m hụrụ n'anya.
Obi, why did you stop? I'm enjoying your music.
If Nne comes here, then I'm in big problem. She has seized this Obakwara before.
Then I will stand in for you. You know Nne does not like to pick a fight with me. Please continue. I am dancing for you. Sing.
Nne ya kwere m, nna ya kwere m, ya onwe ya kwere ekwe, si na ọ ga-alụ m, ọma bụ nwunye m, ọma bụ nwunye m, nwunye m fụrụ n'anya, si na m ga-alụ ya, ọ bụ wee, aga m egoro ya, ka ọ bụ akwa, aga m egoro ya, nne ya kwere...
I'm coming, let me check the hot water.
Okay. Nne ya kwere m, nna ya kwere m, ya onwe ya kwere ekwe, sị na ọ ga-alụ m, ọla bụ nwunye m, ọla bụ nwunye m, nwunye m hụrụ n'anya, sị na m ga-alụ ya, ọ bụ wee, aga m egoro ya.
Oh, Ikenna, you startled me.
Don't you think I should have this?
I don't understand. What thing?
Follow me.
Ikenna! Ikenna! Ikenna, leave her! Ikenna, let go of her. Leave. Leave her alone. Ikenna. Ikenna, leave her. Leave her alone. Ikenna, leave her. Ewa! I don't know! My money! My money!
What happened?
How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. How are you doing?
I'm fine too.
Since you came back, you refused to come and greet us. Decided to come to your house.
Chika, you go ahead. Ma, you follow me.
Follow you to where?
Follow me.
Ma.
I'm dying. I'm dying, man. You will not die. My whole body is burning.
What sort of wickedness is this? Ikenna. Hey, Ikenna.
Obinna. Hey, Papa. What happened?
Is Ikenna? In fact, it's no longer Ikenna. His name now is Ikenna.
Obinna. Papa.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. When I came back, Jewelry told me that Ikenna poured hot water on him. Eh? Can you imagine such a wicked act?
Hey.
Eh?
Hurry up to where? I've not seen you for many years. You just returned, only for you to be dragging me around. And why are you crying? What is the problem?
Ma, I need you to follow me and go call the herbalist.
Okay.
Obinna had an accident and he's badly injured.
Badly injured? Let's go.
Let's go.
Obi.
Where is the herbalist?
Papa, he will soon be here. He is on his way.
Yes, he's coming. And whoever did this to you will never go unpunished.
Yes, Papa. Ikenna must not go unpunished. Did you know that if not for Obinna, Ikenna would have raped me today?
Hey.
Raped you?
Yes, Papa.
Anyway, let the herbalist come and take care of your brother first. Let's know if he can heal him. And as for Ikenna, I sure do know how. Don't touch him. What is feeling?
Calm down. Calm down. You have poured him hot water and that will be okay for now.
Mother, I feel like strangling him. I feel like killing him,
No.
Mother.
Don't worry. It is time for me to finish him. Because if we did not stop him now, he will be a major distraction to us.
Yes, I have tolerated him enough. You should have killed him 6 years ago instead of making him blind.
Don't worry. It is time for him to die. The time to kill him, to eliminate him completely is now. I am going to eliminate him. Because if you allow him, he's going to spoil so many things for us.
Yes, Mother. I have tolerated him enough.
I made him blind. As at that time, they wanted to make him chief warrior of our community. I said no. I will not allow him to become that which he wants to become. I said no. I wanted you to be my own chief warrior. Yes. I stopped him. I did not allow him to become that which he wants to be. I will finish him. I'm not yet done with him. Yes. You have to be proud of your mother. I will kill him. Yes. Your mother is a very strong woman. I'm proud of you. I will still deal with him. Bam! Yes.
How do I go about this? I mean, how can the herbalist ask me to bring such a huge amount of money to restore my son's sight? Can he possibly restore his sight? I think I really need to do something about this. Maybe I should sell my landed properties. Yes. Or better still, I can give him some of my plots of lands in exchange. That's a better idea. I really need to do everything within my power to make sure that my son Obinna regains his sight. Because he is the only legitimate son that I have. Iruka, my wife, came into this marriage with an unwanted pregnancy. Gave birth to a son, Ikenna. A son I did not father. She thinks I don't know. I will just remain silent and help my son, Obinna. I pray the gods to help him regain his sight through the help of this herbalist. I must do everything possible. Everything. I will give everything to make sure he regains his sight. Yes.
Father, Ikenna must be punished. This matter should be reported to the elders in council.
What? What are you saying? That my son's case should be reported to the council of elders?
Yes, Mama. I will do worse if I have the chance. Did you know that if not for Obinna, Ikenna would have raped me today?
It is out of love. It is out of love. Burning desire.
Burning what? Which desire?
He's a man now.
Which man? You are the cause of all these things. Eh? You cannot train him well. Listen to me. You must apologize to Jeguluchi. Are you hearing me? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Father.
And Jeguluchi, you know this is a shameful act. Should we go and report this matter to the Council of Elders? It will attract shame upon this very family. So let's keep it to our family and resolve it here. Eh? I do not want other ears to hear about it. Let not a second ear hear about it.
Alright, Father. But Father, I don't know why Mama hates Obinna so much.
I've asked myself this question severally and yet no response, no answer. Initially, she used to be good to him. Suddenly she changed, started maltreating him. What sort of ill?
Yes, I hate him. Ever since you decided to sell our land, the land that rightfully belongs to my son, to treat that imbecile, blind idiot that you have in this house that was when I decided to hate him, and I will hate him forever. I will hate him, yes.
What? Mama? Why?
Yes. If I did not do that, what will my son inherit? Tell me.
Mama, Ikenna is no longer a child. He can fend for himself.
Guys, shut up your mouth.
Mama, Obinna was not born blind. Blindness struck him suddenly. And it can be corrected.
No! I don't want it corrected. I don't want! My son, Mom, come with me.
Mama.
Go! Sign up.
How come you know about all these things you are talking about? I've never met you anywhere. I don't know you. Who are you? How come you know about my family this much?
I am just concerned. Ago, why are you adamant in what is happening in your family? Why don't you stand up as a man and do that which is right?
Woman, who are you? And who gave you the right to come to my house to speak evil against me? Who sent you? Who sent you, I ask?
Iruka, you are evil, just like you said. But let me tell you one thing. The living and the dead must surely come for you.
And you are here watching her, not saying anything. Evil woman. Evil. Enemy of progress. Family destroyer. Useless. And you are here, you are not saying nothing.
You have seen your kind. Why don't you continue to talk? Follow her. You can follow her.
I will follow her. Come back here, useless woman. My son eats. I made this specially for you.
My mother.
Look and be healthy for me.
You can cook.
Your mom is a
these people that want to.
Geology. What is after you?
Obinna has been abducted by some men.
What happened? Where?
No. Not in this village, oh. Let them not come and try me.
Calm down.
I was training with Obinna. And some men came in from the bush and took him away.
Chimo! My enemies, oh! My enemies! They are at it again, oh!
Mother,
Where?
Calm down.
Wait! Let's find out. Where did it happen exactly?
On the road.
Which side? Come. Let's go.
Follow us now.
We have dealt with them.
I swear.
They thought they are wise. We are wiser. This one, we did them. The more you look, the less you see. They thought they are wise. What do we do about Sopruch's balance?
Hey, it's true. But if you say I should suggest, let me go from here so that I'll give him.
That is what will happen. So, go to Sopruch's place. You know, as he used to be now. I will wait for you there. Okay. Once you finish paying, come and meet me there. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
This time around, I want you to finish him. No stress. I repeat, no stress. Genago. I know you don't know why they call me so bro. I am the only man. Don't live by my name. Kill him! That's my job. One more thing. I don't know if you want to see him before I behead him. At least to say goodbye to him. I no need. No need for that. The last one will never see. Will never see. You don't know me. Neither do I. My husband.
Did you find him?
No, we did not see him. Huh?
Papa, we have tried our best to.
Yes.
We have searched for him everywhere.
Everywhere.
We even across the community, we didn't see him. Mama, have you not tried?
We tried our best. That boy must be evil for trying to put me to shame in this community. Eh? He knew very well that he's blind. He will not stay one place.
Mama, I'm tired. I want to go and eat.
My husband, please calm down. Calm down. We will find him. Just calm down. That boy is looking for how to destroy me in this community, but he will not succeed. Calm down.
You do not need to worry about me. I am fine. But you know what, Mother? I think it's time I tell you something. There's something in my mind I need to tell you.
Okay. Go ahead. I'm what ears? Oh?
Mother, is about Obinna.
I don't understand you.
I am in love with him.
What?
Yes, Mom. He is the man after my heart. Everything about him is what I want in a man. He's understanding, he is caring, and more. Mother, the way it is here, I just feel I can adopt him and run away to an unknown land where nobody can find us. Nobody knows us. Because I believe, dear, he will have peace of mind. Yes, Mother.
Because of our land. My daughter.
Yes, Mother.
Please, do not allow your feelings control your emotions. I beg you. Yes, Obinna is a very nice boy. He's a very nice man. Every woman will want to have him. But your own case is different. You cannot marry Obinna. You cannot get married to him.
Mother, if it's about his predicament, that is the reason I love him. Yes, he is the man after my heart. And I do not care what people think or say. Not even you, mother, can stop it.
Ma.
Yes, mother.
Obinna is your brother. Obinna is your blood.
Mother.
Ago, are your family members not aware that we are here?
Iruka, Jeweluchi, Ikenna.
It's like they are not here.
My elders, I know why you are here. The accusation that
My elders, I am very sure that Ikenna and his mother have a hand in the disappearance
Will you
of
shut up
Obinna.
your mouth? How dare you talk when my mother is talking?
Joeluchi, since you know the people that are involved, that means you are involved equally. Eh? My elders, how can they accuse me of having a hand in the disappearance of my own son? A son I trained by my own self. The whole community can bear me witness. I love him so much. I treat him like my own very biological son. How can they accuse me of such? And you, Joeluchi, despite all I did for you, so all you want to pay me back with is to invite elders to come and harass me.
My elders, Nne, calm down, please. My elders, we are ready to take this issue to any length to prove our innocence.
My elder,
Go ahead.
you know very well that this running of mouth, blah, 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 is not why we are here.
Definitely.
This is not why we are here. The disappearance of this young man, a full-grown man, is an abominable act. Despite that he is blind, the Igwe and elders in council mandated us to be here.
Yes.
To know exactly what happened. But whosoever has a hand in the disappearance of our son, despite that he is blind, he must be brought to justice. And our son must be found, dead or alive. Iruka,
Don't you ever mention my name again.
shut up, woman! I said shut up. Every time your mouth will be...
Hey, elder, don't insult my mother.
Ago, it's obvious your family members are proving stubborn. Whosoever his hand is in the disappearance of this young man, there, the gods of our land will prove who is guilty or innocent. Bo, let's go.
That's it.
My elders, chief priest, all I'm saying is all the allegations leveled against my son and I, we are innocent of it. Wagam.
Iruka, you are not innocent. Ezemo, I greet you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Nne m oyi! Gwenye kenekwa m unu. Gwenye kenekwa m unu. Nne di masuru ọra nni o. Nne kenekwa gị. Nne mụrụ ogbu agali odo. Mama kenekwa gị oyi. Eke. Orie. Afọ. Nkwọ. Okirikiri ka a na-abụ ukwu ose adịghị arị elu. Kirikiri ka a na-ekiri odede jigo odede dị osi. Woman, speak.
Ezemo, I greet you. My elders, I greet you.
You're welcome.
My name is Neka. 18 years ago, a woman named Nkechi from here, the wife of Adam, ran Tifke. She was heavily pregnant. I met her inside the bush while she was giving birth and I helped her to give birth. After that, she narrated everything what transpired between she and Iruka to me. How Iruka wanted to give her an unborn child. Oh, that she ran away. And she begged me not to bring that child back to this place. She asked me to help her. Lost child. That child is still with me till now. And she has become of age. And she stays with me till now. Her name is Emma. She told me everything about Obinna and her husband Dago.
Nne m ejaba ma mekenekwa ihe nne m rụ ogbu agali edo bịa gụgụ amakwa ogbu agali edo nwoke teete ogbu agali edo meja ga-alọta ogbu agali edo ekenekwa ihe bịa gụgụ amakwa bịa gụgụ amakwa ogbu agali edo. What's going on, Papa? Hey! My enemies, oh! I go for it. My enemies are acting again, oh! Blindness, oh! My eyes, oh! Hey! Oh my God! What is this to me? I go. My God! Your wife is blind, oh! My eyes! My husband! Oh boy! My son! My son! Hey! I go for it. Hey! See my man.
That is something I've always wanted to discuss with you. I feel this is the right time for me to say it. But then, this may not be the right place to say it. But then again, I want to take advantage of this opportunity. There comes a time in a man's life when he feels that he's old enough to build his own family and to start his own life. And I think I've come to that place, to that point in my life. Please, it would be a big honor to me if you will give me the privilege of making you my wife. Please. I beg you, please.
Obinna, we cannot get married.
Why?
We can't.
Why is it?
That's all I wanted to know. We can't be husband and wife.
Mama, you cannot just say that we cannot get married, because the last time I remembered, you came to my house one night and then you were telling me how much you love me, and...
That was the last time. I'm talking about now.
What happened? Okay, fine. Fine, I understand. I understand that no one wants to have anything to do with a blind man. I understand. And I do not blame you.
Obinna, your condition is not the problem.
Then what is the problem?
We cannot get married.
Why? I ask again.
Because we are siblings.
It's not funny.
Obinna, I am your sister.
How? See, what is your surname? My name is Obinnago. What is your own name? What is your surname? We are not even from the same village, so how are we blood related?
My mother said we cannot get married that you are my brother. I am your sister.
Your mother said?
She said so. We are siblings.
Ma, I remember that I still had my sight when my mother left. So, I know my mother's voice. I know your mother's voice, and they don't sound alike in any way. So, how can your mother possibly say that we are blood related?
Obinna, I am sorry. We cannot get married. We are siblings. Please, I am sorry. It's also difficult for me to understand. Please. Please. I don't...
Ma, I can see you. I can see you.
You're joking.
I am not joking. I can see you. I can see your nose. I can see your eyes. Anya Brusugi, I can see them. I can see your hairs. I can see the beads you adorned your hairs with. I can see! I can see you. This is your head. This is your ear. This is your lips. This is your nose. This is your eyes. These are your hands. I can see you. These are beads on your head. I can see you. I can see you, ma.